Avoiding misplaced modifiers, keeping your sentences in order. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to tackle a commonly misunderstood concept in English grammar: misplaced modifiers. They can make our sentences confusing and sometimes unintentionally humorous. So, let's explore this topic and learn how to avoid these common mistakes. First, let's refresh our memory on modifiers. A modifier is a word, phrase, or clause that provides more information about another word in the sentence. Adverbs and adjective clauses often play this role. They describe, or modify, other words, making our sentences richer and more detailed. However, when these modifiers aren't positioned correctly, they become misplaced and can make our sentences unclear or awkward. So, what exactly are misplaced modifiers? Misplaced modifiers are words, phrases, or clauses that are separated from the word they modify. This can create confusion, as it makes it unclear which word or words the modifier is supposed to describe. For example, consider the sentence, "Running quickly, the view was a blur." Here, running quickly seems to modify the view, which doesn't make sense. Now that we know what misplaced modifiers are, let's talk about how to avoid them. The key is to make sure that your modifier is near the word, phrase, or clause it is meant to modify. If we take our previous example, a correct sentence could be, "Running quickly, I saw the view become a blur." Now, running quickly correctly modifies I, which makes logical sense. Understanding the theory is good, but practicing with examples is even better. Let's correct some sentences with misplaced modifiers together. 1. Misplaced. I heard that there was a picnic in the park walking my dog. Correct. Walking my dog. I heard that there was a picnic in the park. 2. Misplaced. She served sandwiches to the children on paper plates. Correct. She served sandwiches on paper plates to the children. Remember, the aim is to place the modifier as close as possible to the word it's intended to modify. Thank you for joining me today to explore the fascinating world of misplaced modifiers. Keep practicing, stay curious, and remember, the more you read and write, the better you'll get at spotting and correcting misplaced modifiers. See you in our next lesson. Happy learning!